Hi there, this is the Amazon Echo second generation. Well, some of you might ask, what's an Amazon Echo? Amazon Echo is a home smart speaker that you control using your voice. Sounds fun, right? Well, I did an unboxing and a hands-on overview last week. If you want to check out the video, you click the card up here. In this video, we're going to do an in-depth review and see how well it works in India. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. Its primary objective is to play songs on voice command. I would say it would understand 90 to 95% of the times correctly. Unfortunately, you cannot talk to it in Hindi or any other regional languages. But the Amazon Echo is learning. It has software updates. So hopefully Hindi or many other languages will be updated to it soon. You can ask the Amazon for flash news, cricket score, weather updates, Q&A, set alarms, set timers, set reminders. My god, there are way too many things. So talking about the Echo from the Indian music standpoint, doesn't have enough collection. Well, it plays songs from three sources: Amazon Prime Music, Saavn and TuneIn. Amazon Prime Music means you need access to Amazon Prime membership. So Amazon Prime membership is absolutely recommended. It has huge collection. When we play songs from Saavn, there are ads sometimes, so that's a sort of a problem, so I wouldn't recommend. So Amazon Prime membership would be great. TuneIn is basically more for radio channels and lesser for songs directly. Convenience is the key here. Now, for example, how many times has it happened to you that you want to listen to a song, you pick up your phone, you go into YouTube or your music streaming device, then you search for your song and then you play it. Now imagine the fun when you just tell the smart speaker that this is the song you want to listen to, or this is the kind of songs you want to listen to, or this is the songs you want to listen from a particular singer. Anything, it just works. Here are some examples of how you can use the Alexa in India. Alexa, play Kishore Kumar songs.
Shuffling songs by Kishore Kumar.
Alexa, play Kumar Sanu songs.
Shuffling songs by Kumar Sanu.
And it just works. Alexa, play 90s Bollywood.
Here's a station for 90s Bollywood music.
And there you go. We have a song from Dar, I guess, from the 90s. Alexa, play songs by Arijit Singh.
Shuffling songs by Arijit Singh.
There you go. Alexa, play Yo-Yo Honey Singh songs.
Shuffling songs by Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
Alexa, stop. You can also be specific by which song you want to play. You name the song with the singer or just the song and it works. Alexa, play Dil Diyan Gallan.
Dil Diyan Gallan from Saavn.
There you go. Alexa, play Dil Chori Sada Ho Gaya.
Playing Dil Chori from your library.
Alexa, play Amitabh Bachchan songs.
Shuffling songs by Amitabh Bachchan.
So basically you get the drill. It's so damn convenient. We don't need our phone anymore when we want to play our favorite songs when we have the Amazon Alexa. But this doesn't mean that we cannot stream songs to the Echo. Amazon Echo does have Bluetooth, so you can stream songs from your mobile phone to the Amazon Echo. Let's do a quick demo. Alexa, turn on Bluetooth.
Searching.
There it is.
Connected to OnePlus 1. Now that
And so it works on Bluetooth, so you can just play anything that you want to. This was just an example. You can just play anything. The Amazon Echo also comes with HomeKit support. What is HomeKit support? Alexa, turn on the lights.
okay.
Anyway, so this is interesting, isn't it? You can turn on the lights, you can control other things. Right now I just have one Siska smart bulb that I'm using for this demo, and it cost around 1400 rupees, but it's totally worth it. And you can even change colors in this, like for example, Alexa, turn the lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights to orange.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights off.
Okay.
Now imagine this. You walk into a dark room and you say, Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
So this is something we saw in sci-fi movies while we were growing up, and we thought, oh my god, when are we going to see something like this? And today it's reality. Well, one more thing to mention is that the Amazon Echo has an aux out. Well, this is one of the biggest reasons for me to choose the Amazon Echo over the Google Now. The Google Now doesn't have an aux out. The Apple HomePod is still not even available in India, but even that doesn't have an aux out. Now with an aux out, there are multiple possibilities. I can use it to connect it to my wired headphones. I can use it to connect to a home theater system. Now for example, there's a party at home and I want louder music. All I need is an Amazon Echo connected to my home theater system. I'm done. I don't need anything else. And for people who feel that if it doesn't sound up to the mark, you can connect it to your own personal music system and it will sound great. What more do you want? Let's do a quick demo right now. It's connected to my Samsung home theater system. So let's play some loud music and see how it sounds. Alexa, play Dil Chori.
Playing Dil Chori from your library.
So right now this is actually playing on the home theater. You can also add skills to it. You might ask, what are skills? Well, skills are like adding extension to your browser or like installing apps on your mobile phone. There is a skill store on the Amazon Alexa app. Let's browse through it and see what exactly it is and how helpful it is. So let's go to the Amazon Alexa app. Once the app opens, you come to the corner, you press and you look for skills. So here you can see that there are all skills. So for example, you have a Fitbit. You can install this and you can enable it. It will require account linking. Now what is account linking? Wait, I'll explain that as well. Now for example, I'm going to install Uber and I'll enable Uber. So account linking. So what it's going to do is it's going to take me to my Uber account. So I want to make sure that I log in from here so that when I tell Uber to book a cab for me, it will book taking my address where the Echo is. For radio, there's so much. There's fresh menu for ordering, there's ESPN, there's Art of Living. These are for smart home appliances, Philips, Siska. This is for news, what's my flash briefing, Times of India, Aaj Tak, India Today. These are relaxing sounds. And there are in categories also new arrival, business and finance. It will also tell you the skills which you have installed. So suppose here, it will show me what I have installed. So you can put many of these are my skills. You can even put stone, paper, scissors. You can play true or false. You can order things on Zomato. So for example, you want to order food on Zomato, you'll have to make sure you add your Zomato skill here and you will link your account so it knows all your details. So it's really, really helpful. This is for one thing that you should pick up the Amazon Echo instead of the Google Now. It's just way too many things. So eventually let's talk about sound quality. Well, it sounds quite decent, not bad at all, in fact quite good. I've seen a lot of other Bluetooth speakers not sound this good. Of course, this ain't cheap. It cost around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. I got it for around 6,700, so it was available for a steal. But the sound quality is pretty okay. It's not bad at all. It gets really loud. It has a 2.5-inch woofer, which creates enough bass for you to enjoy in a small room. Of course, like I said before, you can connect it to your home theater system. If you want it to sound louder, you like more bass, you like more treble, you like more mids, but it has a pretty balanced sound. The bass is good, the highs are good. It's technically a very nice home speaker, and you're going to really enjoy listening to music on this. Me personally, I still don't connect it to my home theater because turning on the home theater again makes me lazy. This is something which sounds good, so you just say which song you want to listen to and it plays, and it works just fine, and it works beautifully. It sounds really good. One of its small drawbacks is that it doesn't have any battery in it, so it will always be needed to be plugged to a power source to use it. So no, you cannot take it to the beach, you cannot use it in your car, you cannot take it for camping, and it also needs an internet connection to get its full potential, of course. But you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker even if there is no internet, but you will still need a power source. And obviously, since it's not designed for outdoor use, there is no waterproofing. So little bummer, but I don't think this is something to complain about. It is made for indoor use, not for outdoor use. So in my final thoughts, I would say it's a wonderful device. It's getting smarter every time you use it. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Also, you can do a lot of more things apart from music from this. You can set reminders, alarms, timers, lights. You just saw turning on lights, turning them off, and it's really helpful that way. So it's definitely recommended. If you are looking to buy one, I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out. So I hope you really like this video. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions regarding the Amazon Echo that you want me to ask. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already. Until next time, cheers.